There's a reason that Brazil's national drink has reached world domination. Here's how to make a delicious caipirinha. It's kind of usually 1 to 1.5 limes, but obviously depends on the lime and also your own palate. I'll just keep this one off to the side. And I'll just cut up those little lime husks more into little wedges and pop them in the tin. Then we're gonna go in with your sugars. So I'm just gonna do like a couple of bar spoons. There's a good squelch sound there. Then I'm gonna go in with 60 mils of cachaça. And then I'm gonna take that lime juice and I'm gonna measure out 30 mils. Then I'm just gonna give this a quick shake. If you're using, I guess like just ice out of your freezer or something like that, then you're probably fine just to build it straight in the glass. I can't help but feel that maybe the ones that I had in Brazil had a little bit more cachaça in there than this one does, but still very tasty. Then we're just gonna shake and dump for this guy. And I like to push these wedges properly in. And then to finish off, a little dehydrated lime wheel. So there we have our caipirinha. But really fresh and herbal. I mean, I do just really love cachaça and rum agricole and all that kind of style of thing as something to use in cocktails because it has heaps of body, super aromatic, really lifted, but also doesn't overpower. So, you know, the lime is really bright and really front stage here too. So if you are a citrusy kind of person, this is definitely one that you should try if you haven't already. The caipirinha. So now you know.